Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Does English sometimes sound too fast? Like a rushing river of words you can't catch? What if I told you there is a way to make fast English sound slow? It is not a magic trick. It is a simple principle used by professional interpreters. It changes everything about how you listen. Stay with me until the end. I will share this powerful secret with you. It will unlock your English listening skills. First, we need to understand the real problem. The problem is not always the speed. The problem is how we listen. Let's begin with the first reason English is hard to understand. Reason 1, we listen to single words. Imagine you are trying to catch rain. You try to catch every single drop. It is impossible. You get overwhelmed and miss everything. Listening to English can feel the same. We try to hear every single word. The girl is walking too. By the time you hear walking, you forget the girl. This is the wrong way to listen. So what is the right way? We must listen for groups of words. Think of them as chunks of meaning. For example, listen to this sentence. The girl with the red hat is walking to the park. There are two main ideas here. Chunk 1 is the girl with the red hat. Chunk 2 is walking to the park. When you listen for chunks, your brain has less work to do. It can process the meaning much faster. Fast English starts to sound slower. But how can you practice this? You must start with reading. If you cannot read in chunks, you cannot listen in chunks. Open any news article or a simple book. Read one chunk, pause, understand its meaning, then read the next chunk. Do not translate word by word. Understand the idea in the order you read it. This simple reading habit will retrain your brain for listening. Now, let's talk about the second reason. It is a little different. It's about sound. Reason 2, the music of language. Every language has its own music, its own rhythm and beat. Some languages are flat. Each word gets about the same amount of time, like hello, my name is. English is different. English has a strong beat. It is a stress-timed language. Some words are loud and long. These are the important words. Other words are quiet and short. Let's take a simple word, computer. In some languages, you might say com-pu-ter. 3 equal beats. In English, we say computer. The beat is on pu. The cum and t sounds are very small and fast. Sometimes you almost don't hear them. Now imagine this happening in a full sentence. Many small words almost disappear. Your ears don't hear them. So you think you missed something. You panic. You stop understanding. What is the solution here? The solution is to learn the basic structure of English. This is what people call grammar. But do not think of it as boring rules. Think of it as learning the map of the language. When you know the map, you can guess what comes next. For example, a native speaker might say, "What you doing?" You don't hear the word are. But your brain knows the map. It knows the structure is what you are doing. So your brain automatically fills in the missing word. You understand the full meaning without hearing every single sound. This is how native speakers understand each other. They are not listening, they are predicting. This brings us to our third and final reason. It's about what we think English should sound like. Reason 3, the myth of perfect English. In school, we learn very clear, perfect English. Our teachers say every word slowly and carefully. How are you today? But in the real world, nobody speaks like this. Real people connect their words. For example, we learn to say going to, but in a real conversation, you'll hear going to. I'm going to the store becomes I'm going to go to the store. The sounds change. They blend together. If you are only waiting for the perfect textbook sounds, you'll be lost. You'll think you're hearing a completely different language. The solution is simple, but it takes time. You must listen to many different types of English. Listen to people from America, the UK, Australia, and India. Listen to young people, old people, news reporters, and movie characters. Think of it like music. Many singers can perform the same song. Each singer's voice is different, but the song is the same. The more voices you hear, the better you will understand the song itself. So listen widely. Your brain will learn the different voices of English. Now we have covered the three main problems. Listening to words, not chunks. Not hearing the music of English. And expecting perfect textbook English. So what is the one secret I promised at the beginning? The secret to making fast English sound slow. The secret, your brain, not your ears. The secret is this. Listening is not an activity for your ears. It is an activity for your brain. When you listen for chunks, when you understand the rhythm and predict the next word, when you are familiar with real natural sounds, your brain does not panic. It does not try to catch every single raindrop. Instead, your brain becomes a calm observer. It has a map. It knows what to expect. This process of predicting makes the incoming information feel slower. You are not hearing slower, you are processing faster. And when you process faster, the world seems to slow down. Listening is not a passive skill where you just let sounds enter your ears. It is an active skill. It is a game of prediction and understanding. So practice reading in chunks. Learn the basic sentence map and listen to as many different real voices as you can. If you do these things, I promise you that fast rushing river of English will start to feel like a calm, clear stream. You will finally be able to relax and just understand.